Hello all. This is the second assignment to find the magic index in an array ranging from a of 0 till 9 n minus 1, such that if a of I is equal to I, then that will be our magic index or the output. So for this, the first case is that it's a sorted array and we have distinct integers. So in that, we will have to see if there is any magic index. So for example, in this case, if you see, we have minus 1, 0, 2, 4, 10. So this is the elements and the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see, this is that I and this is a of I, which matches. So this acts as our magic index. So to do that, we can use binary search, which again has O of log n complexity. So basically there are three conditions here. So we will have to find mid. If that mid index and that array of mid, if both are same, then we will consider that as our magic index. If not, then we will have to see, like if that mid is, if it's greater than the array of mid, then it's obvious that it will be on the right side, else it will be on the left side. So these are the three cases, the three conditions that we have to put in our method and the logic. So this is what I have written. So if that high, if it should always be greater than or equal to low, so that's when we can traverse. So that then if the mid is said low plus high by 2, if mid is equal to array of mid, then we will return mid. So that would be our index. If mid is greater than array of mid, return search of array mid plus 1 to high. So we will have to, if this is our mid element, then we will have to traverse this way. If not, we will have to go from low to mid minus 1. Else, if nothing, there could be cases where we will not even find that magic index. That time we will return minus 1. So I will explain it with an example. I'll write it here. So I have written this example where array says minus 10, minus 5, 0, 3 and 7. So if you see the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 3, this is our magic index, where array of 3 is equal to 3. So to do this, we will have to find the mid first. Mid will be 0 plus 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So 2, this will be our mid. So this is mid is greater than, so this is not matching, this is different. So this mid is greater than the array of mid, so we will have to traverse right. So for if we traverse right, then we will that means our element is on the right side, so we will have to see here. Now again we will have to implement that right condition. What was our right condition? It is basically search from array, like in that array from mid plus 1 to high. So if you have 3, 4, 3, 7, so this will be our 0, 1, 3 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7 by 2. So 3. So this is our mid. So now this matches the condition. So if these two meets, then this is our magic condition. So if the mid index and the mid element is same, then that is our magic index. So this is solved using this condition. So I will check for another example. Say suppose array is 4, 8, 17. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could see as per the observation. So this should be our magic index. So there is 1. So to do that, again it is 0 plus 70, no, 0 plus 4, sorry, 4 by 2, it is 2. So this is our mid. So obviously this is not same. So if this mid, if it is greater, then we will have to, no, it is less, so we, this time this will be on this side, our required output. So 0 should be our output. So this is from, so we will have to traverse from low to mid minus 1. So this is 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 by 2 is, so it will be 0 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So this is the mid element now out of this. So 2, this is 0. So again it is 1 is our mid element. So these two does not match, and 1 is obviously less than 2, the mid element. So we will have to check this. So this will be our leftover element, which is nothing but it is equivalent to low is equal to high, and also this will be our output. There is one last condition that I have to look for. Array would be minus 10 minus, okay, 5 3 4 7 9 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. If you see, just through, if you just go through the array and its index, there is no matching index at all. There is no magic index at all in this. So there is nothing that is looks same. So even if you do that using the logic, we have 5 by 2. So okay, so sorry, this is our mid element here. These two does not match, so we will have to see on the left, because mid is less than the array of element. So if you see on the left, then we will get this 0 1, which is minus 10 and 5. So if you do 1 by 2, it is 0.5. So if we will have to take this as our mid element. So here this is again not matching, so there is nothing lesser than this, so written minus 1.